Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is my Saturday mishmash. So I don't have a whole lot. I got some Happy Mail and I have another new paper pumpkin kit that I have not opened yet. So we can look through that. Let me see, do I have any kind of news to give you? Let me put my pretty sign here. Can you see that? I hate this holder for my phone. I can't see what you see. I have to find something new. Any suggestions on a good tripod that I can put on my desk that has a weighted bottom that stretches out over so I can video down? That would be awesome because I got to do something. This thing just isn't working for me. Anyhow, I was hoping to do this morning, but as usual, there's always something. I had a couple of orders to get ready to mail, so I finished that. So that's a good thing. And there's not a whole heck of a lot of new stuff. My daughter-in-law had surgery yesterday. She had a hysterectomy. I just got off the phone with her a little while ago. She sounds good. Amazing. Boy, when I was younger and women had hysterectomies, they were in the hospital for like a week. Now they do it laparoscopically and you're home the same day. When I had my knee replacements done, about 6 years ago, I was in the hospital for 2 days. Not very long, 2 days. Now they do that outpatient. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. You sure better have some help at home when you have some of these things done, because I don't know how you would do it on your own. I don't think they would send you home, though. I think they'd send you to a nursing home or something until you're ready to be on your own. Anyhow, I don't know how I got off onto that tangent. I have no idea. Let me move this and show you the pretty Easter cards I got in the mail. So I got this one first, and it's from my friend Annie Creates. Isn't it cute? Cute. It's like a little window card. I don't know what it's called, but see, it's got some dimension to it, and it stands up like that, which of course you can't see. And then she's got a spot on the back to write. And she just put, Sue and Frank, wishing you both a happy and blessed Easter. Love you both. With love and light, Annie and Russ. Aw. We love you too, Annie and Russ. So, there we go. Cute, cute paper, right? Cute papers. Let's see if I can get this to stand up. Ooh. There we go. There we go. And then the second card I received had this little bunny stamped on the back of it. Feels like it's embossed too. And this is from our dear Susan Tootsie Tucker. Look how pretty in my color green. Green polka dots too. I love green polka dots. I love any kind of polka dots. I like to work with that on cards. Isn't that pretty? I want a cupcake that looks like that. It's so pretty. And it's got some sparkle to it. Just enough. Just enough sparkle to it. So pretty. I don't know how you did this edging. You see the little orange edge? If I tried to do something like that, I'd probably make a mess out of it. That's really pretty. Helps the card a lot too. Then it flips open and says Happy Easter with a little egg inside. And she put, Hi Sue, hope your chocolate bunny is big. Love you, Susan. Oh, thank you, Susan. I really appreciate that. There's nothing I like more than getting cards. I love, 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 love getting cards. Thank you so much. And the third card I got is from my friend Julie Battista. And look how pretty this is. My favorite colors, pink and green. And that's so cute. I love that. It's so pretty. It says Bunny Love. Very cute card. Dear Sue, Happy Easter, Love and Hugs, Julie Battista. And she's got her name on the back. Too cute. I think that's adorable. I think that's adorable. Love that. Love it. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. I had every intention on coming in here this morning and making some Easter cards. And of course I haven't. So maybe this afternoon I will. Well, it's already afternoon. I haven't even had lunch yet. But I don't know. I'd like to. I'm in the mood to make some cards. These cards are so pretty. I have to put them up on my shelf. Excuse me, I have to sneeze. Oh, sorry. Allergies. Live oak trees are spreading pollen like crazy around here. Oh, I should show you. For any of you who did not watch my video on Wednesday of my plushies, Grumpy bought me a gift at the craft fair I did last Saturday, which is why I did not do a Saturday mishmash last week, because I was at my craft fair. I have to sneeze again. Oh, excuse me. Good old allergies. Grumpy bought this for me as a gift. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. You catch the light and you can see the iridescent in it. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to hang it here in my craft room. It's stained glass. There was a lady on the side of us that did stained glass. And I just love it. I just love it. And that was a surprise. He gave it to me when we came home. All right. So I got another paper pumpkin kit in. This one is the March one. I think this should be ending pretty soon for me. I'm not sure. It's called Memorable Meadows. So I have not looked at this yet. I have not opened it. I open it with you. So let's see what we have. We have Green Garden Stampin' Spot. We have this little stamp set. I know you probably can't see this very well. Let's see if I have paper. Let's see if this helps. We've got a pretty flower here and a bunch of sentiments. And they say, if I can read them, heartfelt thanks. You've been on my mind. Have a beautiful birthday. And it's the little things that matter. So always get a little stamp set in here. And this is a bigger stamp set. Oh, this is pretty. Right up my alley. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Let's try white. See if you can see that. I don't know. Still not that great. But you got those pretty flowers again. Some leaves. Some dots. Some more little flowers, I think. Lots of flowers. Lots of flowers, which is good for me because I love making cards with flowers. Love, love, love it. I always wrap these so nicely. Let's get the package out and see what's in here. I have to say, I wasn't crazy about the Easter package last month, I should say. Wasn't nuts about that one. But I am going to try to make some Easter cards with it. I just won't make what they recommend, because I didn't like them at all. And I didn't open this package, but I did watch a video. I believe it's from someone from Stampin' Up! That does it. and gives you ideas on what you can do. And ugh, I didn't like it at all. So let's see what we have here and see if I like this one. Sorry if I sniffle. I got some little clear gems here and some glue dots. And there goes my dog. Oh, this is pretty. This is a card. Well, you know I'm not going to do that. That card is double printed on both sides. Yeah, no, I'd use the paper. I would not use the card like that. Oh, and this is pretty. I like that. Ooh, and that goes all the way down to the bottom. So I think I would use that too. That would make a really pretty background with this. Yes, yes. So there's a bunch of these. They were all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 9 of them. And here's another card. Double-sided again. That's a pretty bold print on that one. And here's another one. I love these colors in the sky. That's very pretty. But I really would hate wasting it on one card. I don't know. I don't know. So there's 3 of each of these. 1, 2. Let's see. They're pretty thick. Yeah, 3 of each. So there's enough for 9 cards here. And here are little labels that you can stamp your sentiments on. More of those, different kind. It's pretty. I like the gold on the edges. Oh, so wood pieces. I never, ever, ever use wood pieces on a card, ever. So those will not get used. I can pretty much guarantee it. And I don't know what these are for. Let's look at the book and see what it says. These are just images of the stamp sets that I showed you, if you could see them. And here are the suggestions for the cards. And this is what I hated online. You have all of this. This paper is so pretty, this one here, with the flowers in front. This one, so pretty. And then they go and slap on this stupid piece of wood. Oh, I see. They put a piece of the purple underneath it. One of these. I'm sorry. This is ugly. This is ugly. I don't like this at all. Don't like this at all. I'll be curious to look and see what other people are doing for alternatives for this kit, because this is just not good. They're huge. Yeah, no. Maybe on a tag or something, but no. Not my thing. What do you think? I think this one's a flop. Just like the Easter one was a flop. I don't know who's designing for them lately, but these last couple of months have been not to my liking. Not to my liking. But I'll go look at videos and see what people are doing, and maybe we can come up with something from there. Sorry about that, guys. I hate being negative, but these kits are not cheap, and if you don't even want to use it because it's not very good, that's not a good thing. But we'll see what we can come up with. So, not much happening, but it's getting to be that time of year where I do my once a year challenge. And I have an idea for one this year. That's something I've never ever seen anybody do before. So I'd like to give it a try. So I will do a separate video about that. And we'll see how the idea goes over. I think it's a pretty nice idea. I think it's a pretty nice idea. So that's it. Be on the lookout for that. I may do it tomorrow. We'll see. We shall see. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's all I have. My beautiful cards. Thank you, Annie and Susan and Julie, for the beautiful Easter cards. And paper pumpkin kit. I don't know. Not my favorite for sure. Not my favorite for sure. I don't like those wood pieces at all. I don't like wood pieces. I never, ever, ever buy them for myself. And if I do get them, if they're gifted to me, I pass them on to somebody I know who does like to use wood pieces, which is just not my thing. Anyhow, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your weekend. And remember, be creative, have fun, do something just a little bit naughty. Until next time, love yous. Bye.